Elven Moon, Part 2. Wolves, Bats, and Halos. Quote, I refuse to stand by and let someone get bullied. Eza Greenleaf. Dedication. This book is dedicated to the readers who have helped me grow as an author. Most were beta readers, volunteers who caught mistakes, and gave great opinions. Thank you for keeping me from giving up. Even during personal problems and COVID-19 worldly stuff, thanks for a saga's worth of inspiration. I always listen to music when I write, so I guess I got music on while I'm reading you this sample rough draft. Other books by Marion Jones. Book 1, Order of the Golden Feather. Book 2, Clipped Angels. Book 3, Black Feather, Dark Angel. Book 4, 5, and 6 are Perfect Chaos, Part 1, 2, and 3. And then there's Elven Moon, 1, 2, and 3. Epilogue. Something odd is happening. I can feel it in my bones. Somebody is watching. Maybe I had too much on my mind. I missed my friends. Seclusion was beginning to bore me when I paid it no attention before. It's funny how things change. I decided to take a refreshing swim through the sparkling waters. I watched with fascination as a silver herring in gold swam towards an iridescent light near the ocean floor. I had never swam that deep before. Faster than I could blink, I watched as the jaws of a large anglerfish plant its mouth around the herring, fully engulfing it. As a predator emerged from the darkness of the ocean depths, I could make out the faint light at the end of a long stem attached atop the hunter's head. This reminded me that survival is a natural instinct, and everybody and every creature had a bigger threat to deal with. But we must keep living. I have to be careful or end up like that small fish. After my oceanic adventure, I wrung out my clothing and strolled through the beautiful wooded area. Tiny dust particles floated past the leaves that were breaking through the evaporating mist. My attention veered back to this mysterious tree. It was hollow with a knife inside. The blade was so clean, it looked almost as if it was glowing. I broke apart small pieces of rotten wood that were in my way. I'm sorry, Mr. Tree, I jokingly said as I smiled.